Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night to whoever is watching this. Today, I will be teaching you how to use this app called Spotify. This is a music app, and it's really cool. I really use it all the time. So I will be teaching y'all how to make a playlist on Spotify. So to begin, I will be giving you a little description of this app. Basically, it just gives you different types of songs to listen to. It also gives several types of playlists that were already made by other people, which is really cool because you can expand your taste in music, I guess. Um, just gives you different types of songs that you probably had never listened to. At least that's in my case. I probably haven't listened to half of these songs, but I get to know new things, so it's really cool. So anyway, it's really cool also because it gives you podcasts, it gives you the charts of like the top 50 songs in the US or globally. It also gives you different types of genres and moods. Um, so yeah. Anyway, so to make a playlist, I will be choosing, let's say, like a workout playlist. Um, so it just gives you several options. So let's say that I want to make a playlist for whenever I want to, do some cardio at the gym. So first thing is to go on this little thing that says more and you just click on it and you go down to add to playlist and you have to make a new playlist. So the new playlist will be right here. It's gonna be named after the first song that was added. So let me just go back and add a few more songs to my workout playlist. So let's say I want to add this other song. You go to add to playlist, you go to that playlist that you just made, and you just keep adding songs. Just keep adding songs to this playlist. So let's say I just added three little songs. So if you don't want it to be called after the first song that you added, you can go to edit image and you can click on that and make or give it a new name. So let's say I want to do cardio playlist. You can also give it a description. So let's say that I want to write on here for whenever I want to do cardio at the gym. So then you click on save, and then that little description is down here. It tells you who created it, how many songs it's in it, and you can also download it. So if you don't have Wi-Fi, um, the songs will be playing still. So yeah, that's what I'll be teaching y'all tonight. I hope y'all enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.